Welcome to Arc-Zone.com. Today we're going to be installing the JWS WP-250-PGM Purge Manifold Kit on our Profax Positioner. First thing you're going to do is remove these two center bolts to install your supplied standoffs. You're going to hold on to these because you're going to use them later. So you're going to take your supplied standoffs. Now these are only 6mm threads, so you do not need to tighten these like crazy. It's about 9 to 10 Newton meters, 70 to 80 inch-pounds, less than 10 foot-pounds, or 3 to 4 ugga-duggas. So be careful not to over-tighten these again. So now you're going to remove your bottom bolts to make way for the plate. And again, hold on to this hardware, you are going to reuse it. You're going to take your supplied purge plate, pay attention to the positioning of the fitting. You don't want this to be pointed straight up and down or straight back. You want to make sure you can see the routing for the hose to come out. So we did build some slop into this because there's a couple generations of these machines out there. So you're going to lightly install these, 1 or 2 threads to begin to make sure they're all in. So now we're going to turn the machine around. I'm going to show you how to line up your purge pipe. You're going to take your supplied purge pipe, you're going to send it through. There we go. So you don't need to thread that home all the way, just enough to line it up. So you're going to take the supplied bushing, you're going to install it, make sure everything's free, and send these home. Before you run it, what you're going to want to do is plug the machine in, run it, look down in between the plate and make sure there's no contact on the fittings in case you've over tightened it. After that, you're going to install the supplied purge whip. This adapts from a standard 20 series male to a 21. We also supply a fitting kit that has the corresponding female, and this will go on to any 3/16 hose that you have. Happy welding.